What if I could show you a way to bring Microsoft Loop and Figma together and give you a digital canvas that includes both your digital designs from Figma and also your collaborative content like tasks and more when it comes to using Microsoft Loop? Well, the great news is I'm going to show you how to do exactly that today, because yes, there is new capabilities in Microsoft Loop that allow us to integrate Figma into our Loop digital canvas. That means you can take a design from Figma and bring it into Loop and then build out additional capabilities around task management and all the other Loop components to help bring your team together in a single place to collaborate. Now, before we dive in, I'd love it if you like this video to hit that like button, but even better, subscribe to our channel to find more great content like this and also turn into a productivity superstar. Otherwise, let's dive into Loop and get Figma integrated into our digital canvas. So let's start off in Microsoft Loop. Here's a Loop page I've created that includes information on our design work that we need to get done. Now, of course, the all-important thing we're missing, well, is all of our Figma designs. They're currently stored at the moment in the Figma web app. We can see it here. We've got a product page that we've created for our new website, and I'd love to share that on our Loop page, but how can I do that? Well, all we need to do is go up to the share button in the top right. Go ahead and select share. And in here, just select copy link. With the link now copied, we can head back into Microsoft Loop. And all we now need to do is paste in the link that we've just copied. And Loop will immediately be aware this is a Figma design, and it will show it in this view here. This is a live view of the design. Any changes that are made will be immediately synchronized into Microsoft Loop. The controls here allow us to see a full screen view. There may be additional pages you want to see in Figma that will also show themselves in Microsoft Loop. We can also use a zoom control to zoom in and zoom out. And if you want to open this design directly in Figma to make changes or more, well, go over to the left hand side and you can select open in browser. And in doing so, this design will open directly in Figma for you to make changes and more. But as we mentioned, changes to your design in Figma will appear instantly inside of Loop. Let's make a change here and add an additional product onto our product page. With that now done, with an additional product now shown, let's go straight into Microsoft Loop. And we can see immediately that Loop has synchronized that change and shows it directly in our Figma design inside of Loop. So as you can see, that's great capability to bring a design from Figma into Loop and collaborate more as a team. But I know what you're thinking. Well, as our Figma design is now in Loop, could we use additional capabilities? And we absolutely could. Here are a couple of examples. Maybe for our design we need a task list. Well, inside of Loop we can do exactly that. We can create ourselves a task list. And with our tasks now set, well, they'll also be allocated using Microsoft Planner and To Do, meaning the hard work of chasing them can be done for you. Keeping a task list alongside your design that can be updated as you need to build out changes in your design. But also, what about the conclusions and the voting on the design? Once again in Loop, we can go and add an additional component as a voting table. And in here, we could put some additional information, such as whether we accept this design by updating our voting table and updating the columns. And with a voting table now updated, well, the team members can just go in there and add their actual votes for the design, meaning keep it all on one single page in Loop with your task list, voting tables, your Figma designs, and your design brief in one single place that you and your team can collaborate in. So as we wrap up today's journey, checking out Figma and Loop and how they work together to give you a digital canvas, why stop there? Because link below, you'll find access to a free Microsoft 365 ebook showing you even more possibilities of how you can use the tools to improve how you work and also transform into a productivity superstar. Not only that, please do follow this channel to find even more great content just like this as well. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you on the next one.